Hello, this is GC. Welcome to my channel, and we're here today to talk about the Pochette Metis for Louis Vuitton that came out in March. This is the Empreinte. Excited when I saw Vivian Milan with her Pochette Metis in an Empreinte version, and I wanted to get my hands on this color, and it was very hard. I talked to my essay in regards to these, and she actually said she was gonna order it for me, and I made a video talking about that and the issues that I had with her because she didn't order it when I was thinking that I was gonna get it. That did not happen, so I was very frustrated with her. After that she said I had to get my credit card in order to order it, and I didn't feel comfortable going that route, so I actually decided to look somewhere else. And by that time it was Mother's Day, and it was really hard to find it. So after that it was pretty much sold out. After that I went into a Louis Vuitton website. It's actually a Facebook page, and I was lucky to find it there, and I had a pleasant time with one of this person that was in that group that had this item for sale. So she was able to work out price, and we talked about it. We talked about how hard it was for me to find it, and then she had almost all of them in every single color, and I was lucky to make that happen, and my husband was able to help me with this purchase. I sold one of my Chanel handbags to buy this item, so it was pretty much selling one of my Chanels for a lower price in order to buy this item because I really wanted it. And I had a loss in there, but I was able to finally get it, and I'm very excited about it, and I want to show you guys. For further ado, we should go and check it out and see what's in there. So here's the bag, and let's open it. That's what you guys waiting for. So here's the box that comes in, and we open it like this, like so, and there we have it in the dust bag. Here's the receipt that she sent that to me, and it's in the dust bag. And there it is, and let's find out what color. So I have it on the rose powdery color. Is a pink. It's kind of like the rose ballerina pink, but it's a little bit darker than that. And I really love pink, and this was one of those items that when I saw it, I felt in love with it. I wasn't sure because of the whole inside, but I will show you guys the inside of the first Pochette Metis. Is a microfiber inside, which is very nice and very soft. So I really wanted that, but I was between both of them, and it was really hard because I wanted to see it in person. I wanted to see this bag in person, but after thinking for a really long time, I decided that I should go for it, and this is actually the bag that I wanted in this color since the first time I saw the Pochette Metis, it wasn't something that, you know, like when you see really catches your eyes and you like, I want that bag. When I saw it, I was like, okay, it's a trendy bag, it's nice, and you know, the monogram print is great and everything. It goes with everything because it's casual, but you can, you know, dress it up, dress it down. I was, you know, like, okay, you know, it's a nice bag. But when I saw Lydia Millen with this bag, she showed it in her channel, and I was like, I want that bag, I want it, and I'm very, very happy that I got it. It's been a few months since I received this bag, and I had a chance to try it out and see how it works. And for me, it's just been those kind of bags that you start using, and you don't want to use, you want to keep using the bag as much as possible. You just don't want to put it down. So it's been like that. Still, like, I want to baby the bag because I know there's, you know, the logos in there. I know it might be with over time they might not be as deep as they look right now, which was one of the flaws that this bag had, and I wasn't sure of getting it because of that. I wanted to see it in person. I didn't want to order online because I, you know, what if, you know, I get it and they're having so many issues right now. Online orders are, you know, people are getting disappointed with what they're receiving. So I knew the person that got this bag before me. I knew she was one of those customers that really look into the bag and made sure that everything was okay. So I was able to see all of her pictures and everything looked great. So I was very drawn to go and buy it from her because she was very pleasant. It was really easy to, you know, transaction, and I'm very, very happy with the bag. So let's go into the detailing of the bag so you guys can see a little bit more of it. So this is the handbag, and as you can see, there's all the imprint in the bag. It looks very deep, so that's very nice. It doesn't have anything around it like in here, like the other, the monogram has all the logos around it, but this one doesn't. And then you have the back of this bag. Actually has the little tag in the zipper pull, so it's kind of convenient. I like it, and I use this a lot to put my cell phone in here, and that's very easy to access. The back pocket is right there. You just open, put the cell phone, and close again. I can say right now I have somewhere in here, and I'm gonna try to clean it up. This has been in use for probably a month. I can already see somewhere, so I'm gonna try to bring the camera a little bit closer to it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's some like color transfer, I believe. So as you can see right here. Okay, so the rest of the bag is very nice. I really like it. The whole glazing, it's great. It doesn't have anything bad. I don't have anything bad about it, so it looks good to me. There were some issues with the glazing, so this bag actually has a really good glazing all over. And then we have I still have the sticker still on it, and when you open it, you just push one side, and it's supposed to be easy, and sometimes it's not for some reason. Okay, so this is the top side, and then when we go in here, I have packed this just to show you guys how much it can have in there. So as you can see, it's very, you know, it still holds more in there, but it's just, you know, I have right here the actual strap, so it does comes with the strap. The strap doesn't have anything in it, so there's no nothing like actually like this, so the regular Louis Vuitton in it, so there it is. Sorry for my chipped nails. And then it's really gold hardware. It's a really nice gold hardware, shiny. Then inside we have the actual never full pouch, so it fits in there. It's kind of, you know, fits in there. It might bend a little bit, but it fits just fine. So we have that in there. Then there's the tag inside, and then it has the Louis Vuitton Paris right there. So this is the actual inside. It's thick, but I think it's fine. It's a thick material, not as soft as the microfiber, but I like it. I don't think, you know, it will be something as bad as I thought it would. Then I have my little Tahiti mini pouch in here, and then we keep going. Inside of there I have this card holder, which I really love, and it has the rose ballerina in there. I think it's Casey something, the name of it, and I really like it. I had it for over 2 years now, and it's been holding just fine. A little color transfer, but I really like it. Demi Ravine, it's one of my favorite prints, so that's that. And then moving on, we have a Chanel card holder as well. This is like a corally pink card holder, and it's a really nice leather, and I put some of my cards in there as well. It has like 2 little compartments, and it's very pretty. So all that it was in there, and as you can see, it's a really nice size, so I really like it. I have the bando around it with a little bow on top, and I believe it's a really nice bag. I can't complain. I'm very happy with my purchase, and I think this was the right decision to say, other than that, which I will clean and make sure that that little thing over there can get off the bag, and it will be back to normal. So a recap, these handbags retails for this handbag retails for 2,100 plus taxes. So it's not a cheap bag at all. The actual leather is a really nice material. I enjoy the fact that it's not canvas. It's kind of very soft, and it feels light even though it has some weight in it, it's not as heavy as other bags. I have the Alma, and it's kind of heavy when you carry it. And also, even though it's the handle doesn't have much space, I'm able to carry it like that. So I don't have any issues with carrying the bag like that. I can have it like this. I'm able to attach the strap, put it on my shoulder, and it's very easy since I have 2 kids and sometimes, you know, I need my hands. So I'm able to do that, and also able to put it cross body, and it's, you know, it's very easy to do, switch it up, and I think it's just very convenient. I really like it, and I hope this was helpful. I will put more details down below, and I will let you guys know about my color transfer experience, which is weird, but I will put that down there to let you guys know if I'm able to get it up. Well, thank you so much for watching. I think you guys like seeing these videos, and if you have any requests for me in regards to this bag, just let me know, and I will try to do my best to answer any questions that you have and comments. And thank you for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I will try to incorporate lookbooks and things like that, my style and other things later on. So thank you so much.
As I previously stated, this handbag came out in March 2017 and it was limited edition. However, I have seen it in stores in 2018 around June. So if you would like to check it out, maybe try to go to your local store or call the 1-800 number if you're trying to get your hands on this color. They also have it in black, red, and a cream color, as well the canvas monogram previous and first Pochette Metis. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, comment below. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like seeing this kind of video. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.